Eto na. KIMPAU first time umamin, magjowa na talaga. Welcome back to Celebrity Hub. Hold on to your seats because we've got the juiciest revelation yet. Kim Chu and Paolo Avellino finally breaking their silence about their rumored relationship. Could it be true? Are the hashtag Kimpao fans finally getting what they've been waiting for? In a recent interview during a star-studded event, Kim and Paolo stunned everyone when they were asked about the real score between them. After months of speculation and countless, are they or aren't they, rumors, Paolo dropped a bombshell. Well, masasabi ko na, espesyal talaga si Kim sa buhay ko. Fans erupted online. Twitter exploded with the hashtag KimPofinally, and comments like, OMG! Ito na talaga. Kinilig ako sa sinabi ni Paolo. And, Kim Pao is the new power couple. Flooded social media. But wait, Kim didn't hold back either. She shyly admitted, Paolo is someone who makes me happy. Siya yung taong nandyan kahit anong mangyari. I guess, kung ano man ang iniisip nyo, bahala na kayo doon. The chemistry between them has been undeniable since they started working together on recent projects. Whether it's their sweet of calm moments or their playful banter during interviews, fans have been rooting for them to take their partnership to the next level, and it seems like it finally happened. Netizens can't stop talking about their glue-on connection and how they complement each other. Many are already calling them the new it couple of Philippine showbiz. Is this just the beginning of a beautiful love story? Or are they keeping some details under wraps? Whatever the case, we'll be here to keep you updated. What do you think about Kim and Paolo finally addressing the rumors? Are you shipping hashtag KimPao? Too? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Celebrity Hub for more breaking celebrity news and updates. See you in the next video.